Hi everyone, welcome back to Tarot Mystic 1111. This is going to be an energy update to check your person's current thoughts and feelings towards you, what's happening behind the scenes. We also had the Mercury going direct today, so of course, all the hang-ups, all the communication errors are going to be resolved in the next few days. We still have the Mercury shadow period going on for the next 10 days. So, of course, you can expect the clarity to come back in your relationship, in your connection after the next 10 days, right? And also, please remember this is a generalized reading. I'm going to pull out cards for you. So, if this reading resonates or some part of it resonates with you, please know that it is meant to reach to you. And also, if you need clarity in your particular situation, you have to always go for a personal consultation, because this is just a generalized reading. And please do like, share and comment down below if you feel like this reading resonates with you. So yes, let's get started. And of course, if you want a personal consultation, my email is there in the description box below, so you can reach out to me there. All right, so let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you. What is currently happening in your connection? Okay, so we have the Hermit card. Okay, we have the Hermit card, which means, which indicates that definitely your person, firstly, you could be dealing with a Virgo, but I feel right now your person just wants their space. They're loving their solitude. They don't want to, they don't wish to communicate with you. They just want to have in this, just want to live in this isolation, and they want to spend some time by themselves, but they're also doing a lot of introspection. So this is a period of self-discovery, self-growth for your person, even though they love their freedom and independence, but they want their own distance. You know how at times we all feel that we need a little bit of freedom. So that is exactly how your person is feeling right now. So definitely I feel like right now you guys could be in a no communication or no contact phase, and they're trying to actually, I feel for some of you, your person could be going through some family affair. Maybe something is going on in their family, maybe a family celebration or a reunion with their friends. That's what's happening with them. So they're kind of, tied up there also. But at the same time, I feel like your person is trying to find a balance in their own life within themselves. They're strengthening their roots. They're trying to become self-sufficient and not depend on anyone. So you could be dealing with somebody who's very wise. With the Hermit, this is somebody who's very wise. They know what is right, what is wrong, and they're still trying to evolve, right? So this person definitely believes in growth. And this is also somebody who's a very balanced person with the Four of Wands. So right now they're trying to look deeply into things and your connection, and they just want that space, that kind of mindset where they can think clearly. And that is why with the Four of Cups, I feel right now they could be retreating, or you feel like they are pulling back their emotions. They are not interested in love. And of course, how can they be interested in love? Because right now they're in hermit mode. They're just not thinking or interested in love right now. They're not thinking about love. They're not thinking about you. Their focus is on themselves, or for some of you, I feel their past. So this could be the reason, they're trying to, they might be giving closure to the past, because I feel somewhere the past still hits them. They might have had a bad relationship or bad experience when it came to love and romance. So your person is trying to overcome all of that. So let's see, what else do we need to know? Okay, so we have the Four of Coins and the Strength card, right? So with the Strength card, you could be dealing with a Leo. So definitely your person is holding themselves back. They are, like I mentioned before, they are trying to become self-sufficient. This in the Strength card, there is this independence. It definitely, this card indicates independence and self-love, the courage to be independent, the courage to love yourself first and then share that love with another person. So your person is definitely focused on themselves. They're trying to build their own lives. They're trying to gain their self-confidence by staying single and needing that time. They need that time and isolation to develop their strength, so that they can come to you in the correct way. Or if they want to, they're not even sure that they want you in their life, because this person has a lot of they have set some firm boundaries with you. With the Four of Pentacles, they have trust issues. They have set boundaries, and this person is somebody who's not willing to be vulnerable with you. They have they have these fears and insecurities. So they try to hide a lot of stuff from you. They will never share their personal opinions, or their what they're feeling, how they're feeling for you. So this person is right now holding themselves back, and they just focused on themselves, right? So yeah, with the bottom of the deck I have the Three of Wands. So definitely long distance relationship, but at the same time I feel no communication, because I feel this person is just not ready to step into a relationship right now, and they're just focused on themselves. They're trying to heal themselves, they're trying to balance their energies. So let's see, what else do we need to know? Yes, so I think recently a shift has taken place in your connection. With the Death card, you could be dealing with a Scorpio. We have the Seven of Pentacles. So yes, a shift has taken place. I feel like a huge transformation is going on in your relationship, either in this person's life or in your life. So I feel like one of you walked away and ended this relationship with your person, and you're just trying to be patient. I feel they are also trying to be patient. You're asking yourself, like, you've put in so much of effort, you did so much of hard work, you made them feel important, they, like, you gave this relationship so much of value, but you didn't get anything in return. So that is kind of hurting you. But yes, to be honest, I feel this is like an ending, but you don't know if this is a temporary ending or a permanent one. This could also be a transformation that's happening for you. Certainly for your person, I'm seeing there definitely a huge transformation, a huge shift is taking place within themselves, because they're evolving. All of a sudden they're realizing certain truths. And of course, when we are on this journey of realizing certain truths and evolving, a rebirth of sorts is happening for us, we tend to distance ourselves from everybody, right? And we need that solitude, we need that space to clearly think about what our priorities are. We start asking ourselves deep questions. So that exactly is what your person is doing. And you are trying to be patient, because a lot has happened recently in your relationship. I feel there has been like shifts and shifts back to back, and you might be feeling disappointed, heartbroken. So it's a period of being patient with yourself, and of course being compassionate with your person as well, because they are also going through a lot, right? Yes, see, bottom of the deck I have Five of Swords. So definitely a very challenging time period, a shift, a change. For some of you, you could be seeing 5-5 or 5-5-5 lately, because this is a number of change, right? So okay, let's see what's going to happen next in the relationship, in your connection. What is happening next in your relationship? All right. Okay, so I feel like now what will happen is you are going to shift your focus towards your finances, towards your work, career, whatever your main priority is right now. Definitely, I'm seeing for some of you, you are busy and focused on your work, and maybe there is a career shift that's happening, and you are, there is this Empress that's showing up. So definitely I'm feeling like you are also growing. There is a major growth happening for you also, and whatever you do right now, it's going to expand for you. So you have also taken your power back. You are busy, focused on other areas of your life, other important areas and aspects of your life, and maybe you're even taking time to nurture yourself, to make yourself your number one priority. You have pulled back your energies as well. So yes, whatever is happening right now, you are not affected with it. All right, the relationship has ended fine, you are disappointed, you're trying to be patient, but you have also kind of pulled back your energies, and you are also maintaining a very calm and peaceful state of mind. And yes, that will be reflected on all areas of your life, and especially career, because now you are shifting your mind, and you're putting your heart and your 100% in your career and in your job. So I'm seeing that is what is being highlighted. But in your relationship now, what is going to happen? That is the question. So I haven't got that answer yet. So let's see. I feel like your person is also focused on their job, career, finances. So you both are kind of busy in your own personal life. Yes, so the next action is your person is definitely going to realize that they have feelings for you. We have the Knight of Cups. So this is like, you could be dealing with a Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer energy. So this person will definitely again romanticize about you. Of course, the romantic feelings are not going to go away so soon, and this person is kind of realizing, and they are, fantasizing, they're lost in your thoughts, they're, dreaming about you, and they're kind of realizing that, I have tried and I detached myself from this person, but still I'm having thoughts of them. They just, I'm just not able to walk away completely or release them from my mind. So your person is realizing that they do have feelings for you, and I feel like they are coming, slowly towards you to confess how they're truly feeling, to confess their romantic feelings, right? So let's see, what else do we need to know? What will happen eventually in your relationship? Wow. Okay. So yes, I feel like, it's going to take some time. If you can be patient, like I mentioned before with the death card, I'm not seeing this as a permanent ending. This is actually a transformation. Your person is going through a transformation. You are kind of focused on your own life and trying to, grow and expand and focus on yourself. And then, you both are kind of realizing that you do have feelings for each other, even when you have distanced yourself from each other, you have detached yourself from each other, but still romantically somewhere you both feel connected to each other on a very deep level. So I feel it is going to take some time for your connection to materialize, at least, you can say another 1 year. But then I feel like with the ace of pentacles, and we have the 10 of wands. So of course with the ace of pentacles, I feel next when your person is going to come towards you, it's going to be like, even if they pull back, but then the next time when they come back, it's going to be like, it's going to be more solid. The relationship is going to strengthen. The foundation is going to be solid. So yes, with the ace of pentacles, I'm seeing something materializing in the physical world between the two of you. I feel like it's about a practical matter that your person is dealing with. And although I feel like this, at times, this relationship, you might feel like it is kind of burdened. You might feel pressured and overwhelmed. You don't see like where things are going. You don't find any solutions, and there are a lot of obstacles. And mostly I feel it is because your person is still trying to settle down in their job, in their career. They're still trying to have a secure future for themselves. So something in their practical world, I feel like for some of you, your person could be having a lot of responsibilities that they need to fulfill. Something in the practical world is what I'm picking up. So that is what is creating a little bit of blocks, and your person is thinking about, they're coming up with solutions, and also realizing they can't just let go of you because they do have romantic feelings, right? So if you can give this some time, I feel your person will definitely come towards you in a slow and steady way, and they are going to offer you that long-term commitment with the ace of pentacles, right? And it's going to happen all of a sudden because we have the tower card at the bottom of the deck. Again, a strong Scorpio energy, Mars energy. So everything will just crumble down. I think this relationship, this connection needs a solid foundation, and that is why it's going to take its own time, right? You both need to mature, you both need to evolve, you both need to realize certain truth. And definitely at the same time, you guys are realizing that this is a strong connection and this is not going to end anytime soon, right? So guys, that was the energy update for you all. Let me know in the comments below if this resonates with you or not, and please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on your next one. Thank you so much for watching.